Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Straight Lines Miscellaneous Exercise question number 4. Let's see the question. What are the points on the x-axis whose distance from the line x by 3 plus y by 4 equal to 1 is 4 units. So they have given the distance. They are asking us to find the point on the y-axis and they have given the equation of the line. Solving this equation, it should be of equation, so I am going to take LCM and solve it. This becomes 4x plus 3y. On the numerator just cross multiply, on the denominator if I multiply it becomes 12. So bringing 12 to this side it comes as plus 12. Now everything to one side. So 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0 is the equation. This equation is equidistant on the y-axis, that is 0 comma, let it be b. Now because of y-axis we know that we can take 0 comma y, but you will get a confusion, so I am just taking 0 comma b is 4 units. They have given the perpendicular, the distance is 4 units. So point on the y-axis whose distance to the line is 4 units. Now taking the distance formula, we know that distance is equal to mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Solving this, we know that this is a, b, c. This is x1, y1 equal to 4 is the distance, value is 4. So instead of d we can substitute 4 is equal to a is 4 into 0 plus b is 3 into b plus c is minus 12 by root of 4 square plus 3 square. Here becomes 0, so 3b. I am taking this mod to this side. Mod to this side means it goes as plus or minus. Remember that mod goes to this side as plus or minus. So plus or minus 4, 3b minus 12 by root of 16 plus 9, which is 25. 25 can be written as root 25 can be written as 5. So plus or minus 4 is equal to 3b minus 12 by 5. Bringing 5 to this side, I am going to divide the page into 2 because I am going to take for plus 4 and minus 4 separately. Here 4 is equal to 3b minus 12 by 5. If 5 goes to this side, it comes as 20. Here minus 12 will comes as plus 12 equal to 3b. So 3b equal to 32. b equal to 32 divided by 3. So b value we got it to be 32 divided by 3. Now we'll go for minus 4. Minus 4 equal to 3b minus 12 by 5. Bringing 5 to this side it becomes minus 20. 12 will come as plus 12 equal to 3b. So 3b equal to minus 8. b equal to minus 8 by 3. They have asked us to find y-axis, the point on the y-axis. So it is 0 comma b. So 0 comma b is 0 comma 32 by 3 or 0 comma minus 8 by 3. Both values are possible, so I have written both the values. That's all with the sum. Thank you.